Hello, my name is Ken Carlson and I work for Dakota Analytical. And this is Robin Dufault. He works for Dakota Blenders. There are two primary ways to blend Dakota. The first way is with a Dakota 2250 Hydro Blender. The second way is to use a loader and bucket blend the materials. Today we are going to simulate loader blending a blend of 90% sand and 10% Dakota. This same procedure will work for soil and Dakota. The ratio for doing a 90-10 blend is 65 tons of sand to one 1,800-pound super bag of Dakota. You will need on-site scales for this procedure. If you have no on-site scale, then a blending ratio would be 50 cubic yards of sand to the one 1,800-pound super bag of Dakota. Before blending, you will have to determine the volume of the loader bucket. Usually this is stamped into the side or rear of the bucket. This information also can be obtained from the loader manufacturer or equipment dealer. For today's demo, we will simulate using a 4-yard bucket on the loader and an 1,800-pound super bag of Dakota. 50 yards of sand divided by a 4-yard bucket equals 12.5 buckets of sand per super bag of Dakota. First, we will dump 6 buckets of sand onto the blend site. And while this is being done, we can talk about a proper blend site. A proper blend site is necessary to avoid mix contamination and ground loss. An excellent blend site would be on concrete or asphalt. A good blend site would be on a 6 to 12 inch compacted sand base. A poor blend site would be a loose gravel, rock, or broken up concrete, asphalt, parking lot. Now that the sand is moved, we will open the super bag and next, we'll put the additional 6.5 buckets of sand on top of the existing sand and Dakota. Now we are ready for blending. We start at one end of the pile and roll the pile forward by lifting and dumping the bucket as the loader moves forward. Continue this loader procedure until the pile has been completely moved one time. Now we reverse the direction of the loader and roll the pile back to where it was. If you still can see any visible dark streaks of Dakota or light streaks of sand in the pile, roll the pile once more. Now blending is complete, and you should have a very homogeneous mix of Dakota and sand. Now you can see we have a homogeneous blend of Dakota and sand. You can verify the organics in this sand by sending a sample to Dakota Analytical. This concludes our demonstration of loader blending.